Hey there, aspiring website creators. Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to build your own online presence. In today's video, we'll take you on an exciting journey through the process of creating a website from scratch. No coding experience required. If you find this content valuable, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our tech tutorials. Let's get started. Step number 1, choosing a platform. The first step in creating a website is selecting the right platform. We'll introduce you to user-friendly website builders like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace that offer intuitive interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality. We'll also explain the differences between self-hosted and hosted platforms, so you can make the best choice for your project. Step number 2, domain and hosting. Next up, we'll dive into the world of domains and hosting. Learn how to pick the perfect domain name that reflects your brand and appeals to your audience. We'll walk you through the process of selecting a reliable web hosting provider that ensures your site's performance and security. Step number 3, website design. Now comes the creative part, website design. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create stunning web pages. We'll show you how to choose pre-designed templates, customize colors, fonts, and images to match your vision. From the header to the footer, we'll guide you through creating a visually appealing and user-friendly website. Step number 4, adding content. Your website needs engaging content to capture the attention of your visitors. We'll teach you how to write compelling copy, create captivating images, and craft compelling calls to action. Whether you're building a personal blog or an e-commerce store, content is king, and we'll help you conquer it. Step number 5, making IT mobile friendly. With a significant portion of internet users browsing on mobile devices, ensuring your website is mobile friendly is crucial. We'll demonstrate how to optimize your site for various screen sizes and provide a seamless user experience across all devices. Step number 6, search engine optimization, SEO. What's the use of a website if no one can find it? That's where SEO comes in. We'll share essential tips and techniques to improve your website's visibility on search engines, helping you attract more organic traffic and potential customers. Step number 7, launching your website. It's time for the big moment, launching your website. We'll guide you through the final steps, including testing your site, ensuring all links work correctly, and securing your website against potential threats. Get ready to hit that publish button and show the world your masterpiece. Congratulations! You've completed your website creation journey. We hope this step-by-step guide helped you build a fantastic online presence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow website creators. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and helpful content. Thanks for joining us today, and happy website building. See you in the next video.